Hello friends, today I discuss about how multimedia can change you. So this multimedia, first of all, what is multimedia? Multi means many and media, that is a to transfer the information from one to another, that is media. Okay. So these tools is used to represent or do a certain things, deliver media, a form of mass communications like newspaper, magazine, or TV. There is tools and informations for text, graphics, voice, images, music, and all these things in a one media, that is a multimedia. So we discuss about the multimedia. What is a combination of text, graphics, sound, animation, and video, and that is delivered interactively to the user by electronic or digitally manipulated means. Text is the first media, means what? A broad term for something that contains words to express something. Text is the most basic element of multimedia. A good choice of words could help convey the intent message to the user. So, use in contents, menus, and navigational buttons are in our media. So, for these examples to show how to use this text in our media, first this example, a road safety example. First, before crossing the road, make sure look to your left, right, and then to cross the road. Another media is graphics. So this graphics media is a two-dimensional media. Yes. Could be produced manually by drawing the images, painting, carving, etc. Or by computer graphics technology, we have to capture the images from various media. So this using multimedia to show more clarity what a particular information is all about, like diagrams or pictures. So we also use this road safety example for this graphics. Then we have to show some images. First, repeat this example, road safety. First, before crossing the road, make sure you look your left, to your right, and then left again to show some figures on our media. Then another is audio. So this audio is used in a media to produce by vibrations as perceived by the sense of hearing. In multimedia, audio could come in the form of speech, sound effects, and also music score. We also use this audio in a road safety example, that is first, to before crossing the road, make sure you look to left, to right, to hearing some sound from others. Then the animations. Animations is also a media. The illusion of motions created by the consecutive display of images of static elements. In multimedia, animation is used to further enhance, enrich the experience of the user to further understand the information conveyed to them. So we also use this animation in our road safety example. First, before crossing the road, make sure you look to your left, to your right, and then left. Then another media is video. It is the technology for capturing, recording, processing, transmitting, and reconstructing the moving pictures. So this video is more towards photorealistic image, sequence, live recording, as in comparison to animation. Video also takes a lot of storage space, so plan carefully you are going to use it. So next is a linear versus non-linear multimedia. So this linear multimedia, a multimedia project is defined as linear when it is not interactive. In short, there is a no control to the user. For example, movie or non-interactive lecture or game. Another is non-linear. A multimedia project is identified as non-linear when it is interactive. Users have control over the content that is being shown to them. Users are given navigational controls, for example, games, courseware, then interactive series. Another is authoring tools. In multimedia, there are various authoring tools are used like Macromedia Authorware, Macromedia Director, Macromedia Flash, and Microsoft PowerPoint. We have to use these authoring tools to develop the multimedia. Then another is the main part, importance of multimedia. Nowadays, we are using this number of fields where multimedia could be used. First is in our business, educations, entertainment, home, or public places. First of all, suppose in business. So this in business, the sales and marketing presentations we have also done. Then to trade show production, staff training application, or some company jobs. In an education system, courseware, then simultaneous learning, distance learning, and information search. Then we have to use this multimedia in the education system. Then another is entertainment. The games, leisures or educational, movies, video on demands, that is online movies to see the movies. And another is home, like televisions, satellite TV, SMS services like chats, votings, and reality TV. We are also use this multimedia. And another is public places. So we are also use nowadays. We are also use this like information kiosks, smart cards, or security. Thank you, dears.